Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to get floating downloading notification in Chrome browser of Android. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my Android home screen, right? So if you have not downloaded the Chrome web browser, then just go to the Play Store and download the Chrome browser from the Play Store. And after that, just tap and hold on the application and you will see one icon, right? Just tap on this and just check the Chrome browser version. So right now I'm using is 98.04758.87. so you need to get either this version of Chrome browser or the newer one, whichever you can get, but I will highly recommend to get minimum a version of 98 version. So after having this version or the newer version, just open the Chrome web browser. So say I want to download one application, say, right? So let me download one application. Once I start downloading, as you can see, a pop-up or a floating downloading notification, as you can see here. So before we used to get a download notifications on the notification. We need to slide down. Now you can see a pop-up or the floating downloading notification option. So let us try again one more. So you can see here, so it's definitely a very cool and new features that is being included in the latest versions, or you can say in the Chrome 98 versions of your Android smartphones. So definitely a very cool features, and in my opinion it's much useful seeing downloading in the pop-up or the floating like style in the newest Chrome browser for Android. So if you want to have the same floating downloading notification in Chrome browser of Android, then you need to get this Chrome versions. So definitely check it out by yourself. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.